Filtering messages in Gmail. We've got a little theme of organizing your digital life in our tech minutes over the next month or so. So one thing you find about Gmail is it tends to get overloaded in your inbox. So one way to manage your inbox is to create filters to automatically move messages or handle messages. So for example, I get these two messages every day from PowerSchool. Um, and I don't need to see them unless they're unsuccessful. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the message and then I'm going to click on the three little dots here on this message and I'll say filter messages like these. So it brings up the filter creation box and it set the criteria based on who the message was from. And you can see in the background it's loaded every single message that I get from PowerSchool. And some are completed, some are unsuccessful. So I am going to create a filter that says anything from PowerSchool at k12.state.us and has the words completed, right? Because those are completed. I'm going to create a filter. And now it's marked all these messages. You found them all in the background. And now what do I want to do with these messages? I can skip the inbox, which means I'll never see it. It just goes right to my archive. You might want to do that with like spam messages or things you don't need to see. You can mark them as read, you can star them. I really like the apply to a label, which is your labels on your left-hand side here. So I could create a new label and I could say completed PowerSchool uploads. So let's do that. But let's also skip the inbox because I don't need to see it. Let's just automatically move it over into the label. And then this is cool. Apply to matching conversations. So I've got a couple months of here. Can you believe I've been here for 2 months already? Um, I've got months of these messages that I also want to move and get out of my inbox. So I've got skip the inbox, apply to a label, and apply to matching conversations. So I'm going to go ahead and create that. And Gmail is automatically going to um, create that filter and move all of those messages into this label here. So now you can see I have 102 messages in this label. And by the way, they're out of my inbox. Woo! Okay. I can do another similar similar filter. I know this is more than 1 minute. That's okay. I'm going to say filter messages like these. And I'm going to say from PowerSchool has the words, you can see down here, unsuccessful. And I can go ahead and search for those, get a bunch of those. Just wondering why. Um, Create a filter. Those I'm going to mark it as important and star it and apply to 31. So those are going to be right in the top of mind in my starred messages. Anytime I need to go in here and figure out why something failed, I can go in and find those messages. So Gmail filters are super handy. One other piece, if you want to go edit a filter that you've already made, like I've just covered making new ones, and you can do it right here too. If you want to find a filter you've already made, you go to settings, see all settings, and filters. And so here you can see all of my filters that I've set up over time, and you can edit them or delete them here, but that's settings and then filters. Thanks for watching.